Hey guys, Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. And are you just making ends meet? Are you experiencing that issue? Well, today I am going to share a method with you that could help you fix up that end. And also today I want to speak to, I want to speak directly to all the armed forces personnel out there, all the military personnel out there. I want to speak directly to you guys. As a National Guard person myself, I want to thank you guys for signing up, for making that. That's a very serious decision and obligation to make. So today I want to do this video for you guys. I mean, this will benefit any and everybody, but I want to speak to you guys today on my armed forces personnel, all my vets. I want to speak to you guys today directly. Just real quick, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please just go ahead right now and do so, or after you finish watching the video you do so, and also click the little bell so that you can be notified whenever I make a video and I post it. Okay, so here goes. So money is a real big issue in households. It's a recurring issue and it's a big deal, right? So I signed up with the National Guards a few years ago, and I was never the 9-to-5 personnel. Honestly, I just can't do it. I knew that there must have been another way to make money, and I went out and I did my research, and I found an awesome program online that allows me to, yes, go ahead and to my drills on weekends and can still comfortably bank. I haven't held a 9-to-5 in over 9 years. And this company that I'm with online, I was very hesitant initially, because really and truly the returns were just too good to be true. At the time I thought it was just too good to be true, but then I realized that it is good, but you still got to put the work in. And I know my military personnel out there, whether it's a career, full-time or part-time, I know that things can get a bit tight. And I'm here to tell you that there is another way out. There is hope. There is light at the end of the tunnel. We pick up that the whole keg of gold at the end of the rainbow. But in order to get that, we got to work just as hard as when we go into basic, and we got to get our mind. We just got to get ourselves ready physically, emotionally, mentally. It's just the same with doing this online business. You got to get yourself ready, and you got to put the work in. Getting yourself ready is not enough. The work got to be put in. But once you put in all that work initially and your foundation is laid, you'll be okay. You'll be fine. Your money will make money for you. I have been doing this and it has been working out for me. But initially, I had to put a lot of work in. I had to put the work in all the way. All those spouses that are left at home with the kids, no kids, but just left at home. The other partner, the partner is away, probably in deployment, probably he was placed, at another duty station, the whole 9 yards, and you're left at home to fill the gaps, to pick up the slacks and all that. I am telling you here today, I'm not sugarcoating anything. I'm not propping up something to be what it is not. I am telling you what I'm doing, and I'm part-time military, and it's covering everything. That's what I'm here to tell you today. Also for my people out there that are watching that are not military but would also like to earn an extra income, also like to cut off that issue with the money, making ends meet. Also, this is also for you. I'm just, as I said earlier in the video, I'm just speaking to my vets today, my armed forces members today, military, the whole 9 yards. Guys, I cannot tell you how much this is working out for me. Like, I cannot tell you how much this is killing it for me. I drive a vehicle that takes 93. I drive a truck, and gas right now is ridiculous. I do have bills. I have no kids, but I do have a bunch of bills that got to be covered. And just going to drill 1 weekend a month, 2 weeks out of the year for annual training would not cut it for me. But I knew that I couldn't do the 9 to 5 either. So I had to find that way out. And guys, this is the way out. If you're interested in finding out how I am just banking off online marketing, how I am just covering all my bills, covering my mom. I'm looking to retire my mom and my 2 aunts within 5 years, financially retire, wherein they decide whether or not they want to be doing their 9 to 5 or they just want to just live. That's my purpose for being online. And as I said, military, reach out to me. My link will be provided in the description of this video. And you can send me a message on Facebook. You can leave a comment down below just to find out how I can help you. You can send me a private message, guys. Whichever way you choose, I am more than happy to help. I want to help. I want to help my brothers and sisters out there that are struggling with their bills. I want to help them do something to pass their time. You know what I mean? When you're home, you know, and it's just you there, maybe kids, maybe not, and you're bored, you know, and you know you can't get a job for whatever reason. I'm speaking to you. There is a way out. There is a better way out. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. There is gold at the end of the rainbow. And I am here to help you get that. That's my reason right now for doing this video. I'm speaking to you. Yes, you that is watching this video right now. I need you to send me a message. My link is right under in the description area of this video. Send me a message and let me help you out with your problem. So thank you guys for hopping on and watching this video. I hope you gained something from it. If you need me to speak about anything in particular regarding making money online, leave me a comment in this video. I check them every day. I check my videos every day. I check the comments and I respond to the comments. So again, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that little bell so you can get all the notification. Thank you for hopping on. Thank you for watching my video. And I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.